In a world filled with expenses, it often seems like saving money is an impossible challenge. But what if I told you that there are simple yet effective ways to save a significant amount of cash without sacrificing the things you love? That's right. Whether it's your daily coffee fix or that monthly subscription, there are countless small adjustments that can lead to a whopping $1,000 saved by the end of the year. Let's embark on this journey together, exploring delightful tips and surprising strategies that can boost your savings without feeling any pinch. Saving doesn't always mean cutting corners. In fact, it can mean finding smarter ways to spend. Imagine the thrill of watching your savings grow while still indulging in your favorite activities. It's possible. Join me as we uncover these creative methods that can turn your financial goals into a fun and attainable reality. Let's dig in and discover 30 delightful ways to save $1,000 this year, right here, right now. When it comes to saving money, the first step is understanding how much you're truly spending. Creating a detailed budget is like shining a flashlight into the dark corners of your finances, revealing where your hard-earned cash disappears. Think of budgeting not as a restrictive activity, but rather as a roadmap that helps you navigate your financial landscape. By knowing your inflows and outflows, you can identify areas ripe for savings. Imagine you're a gardener, and your budget is a rich soil where seeds can blossom. For instance, if you regularly buy takeout for lunch, you might be shocked to see it adding up to significant amounts over time. Replace that with meal-prepped lunches, and suddenly you're saving dozens of dollars each week. Little choices can yield big harvests, and tracking every dollar gives you the insights needed to make those choices. Moreover, establishing categories can help you quickly see which areas might be overspending. Are you spending more than expected on entertainment? Could you explore free local events instead? By visualizing your spending, you can enjoy a satisfying contrast once you make adjustments. In the end, budgeting equips you with the knowledge to thrive financially rather than just survive. Lastly, apps and tools designed for budgeting can offer assistance. They simplify the tracking process and can even alert you when you're nearing your spending limits. So, don't overlook the power of budgeting. It's genuinely transformative. Take a little time now to set your financial goals and watch how quickly they can unfold into reality. One of the most enjoyable ways to save is to unleash your inner creator through DIY projects. There's a special thrill in crafting or fixing things yourself. Picture this. Rather than spending $50 on a simple picture frame or well-designed planter, how about making one from repurposed materials? Not only do you save money, but you also add a personal touch to your home. The internet is a treasure trove filled with tutorials for all sorts of projects, ranging from crafting birthday presents to creating your own cleaning supplies. Imagine whipping up a refreshing homemade cleaning solution that rivals any store-bought option, using items you probably already have on hand. Beyond just saving on products, you can infuse your personality into your living space, showcasing creations that tell your unique story. Engaging in DIY doesn't just stop at crafts, it extends to maintenance and repairs. Why hire a stranger to fix leaky faucets when there are countless instructional videos available? Learning basic home repair techniques can save hundreds, if not thousands, on maintenance costs. Plus, the sense of accomplishment that comes from completing a project is priceless. So gather your supplies, set aside some time each week, and dive into your creative side. Embracing a DIY mentality not only fattens your wallet, but enriches your life in unexpected ways. After all, the journey is just as rewarding as the result. In today's world, it's easy to accumulate subscriptions without really thinking about them. From streaming services to gym memberships, these monthly expenses can sneak in and quietly drain your wallet. Start by evaluating what you truly enjoy and use regularly. For example, consider how often you actually watch a particular streaming platform, or if your gym membership is gathering dust since you've shifted to home workouts. Perhaps you subscribe to multiple music or podcast services. Do you really need more than one? Consider consolidating your services or rotating subscriptions instead. For instance, enjoy Netflix for a few months, then switch to Hulu and so forth. This way, you get access to a variety of content without the constant bill. You may even rediscover shows that you haven't seen in a while. Additionally, consider sharing subscriptions with friends or family. Many platforms allow for multiple users, and sharing the cost can lead to enjoyable group watching experiences, saving you both money and fostering connection. But what about the privacy, you ask? Always ensure everyone involved respects each other's boundaries and keeps their logins secure. By periodically reviewing and adjusting your subscriptions, you empower yourself to prioritize what truly enriches your life while cutting back on the extras. This simple practice can result in substantial savings that you can direct towards more fulfilling experiences or your growing savings account. Discounts and promotions are not just for major holidays. They can be available year-round. Harnessing the power of coupons and cashback offers is a savvy way to fill your savings jar. Picture this. Every time you use a coupon, it's like finding free money hidden in your wallet, tipping the balance in your favor. Start by downloading apps dedicated to cashback rewards for your favorite stores. Imagine making a familiar grocery run and receiving a small percentage back into your wallet. Money for nothing. Look out for double cashback days and time your purchases accordingly. It's like a treasure hunt, always in pursuit of more savings waiting for you to claim. Also, get into the habit of checking retailers' online coupon codes before making a purchase. Certain browsers offer extensions that automatically apply these codes at checkout, optimizing your shopping experience effortlessly. You'd be surprised at how quickly those savings add up over the course of the year. Beyond just grocery shopping, consider also utilizing promotional codes for restaurants and experiences. Many eateries have loyalty programs or apps that reward you for frequent visits. This way, not only can you save a little cash, but you also cultivate a sense of belonging within your local community. Life is meant to be enjoyed, but financial limitations shouldn't overpower your passions. Rethinking how you engage in leisure activities can offer significant savings while still filling your life with enjoyment. Instead of expensive outings, consider exploring local parks, embarking on hikes, or utilizing community events that often offer free entertainment. The beauty around you is waiting to be discovered, and often the most enriching experiences come from simplicity. Imagine planning a picnic on a Saturday afternoon at your favorite spot instead of dining out. Not only will you save money by packing delicious homemade meals, but the time spent together will create lasting memories. Incorporating nature, family, and friends, these experiences often turn out to be more meaningful than extravagant dinners. Additionally, explore various libraries in your area. They're not just for books. Many offer free workshops, cultural events, and even movie screenings. It's like having a treasure chest of free entertainment just waiting for you to explore. What better way to enrich both your savings and your mind? Lastly, get creative with your interests. Swap out costly hobbies for alternatives that save money while offering new experiences. Join a local book club, start a community garden, or take regular bike rides. The possibilities are endless when you rethink leisure and can provide just as much joy as more costly alternatives. Saving money doesn't mean sacrificing fun. It can open doors to a new world of enriching experiences. As we wrap up this exploration of 30 ways to save $1,000 this year, remember that creativity is your most powerful ally in boosting your savings. Over time, these small changes can lead to profound results, transforming not just your financial picture, but enriching your everyday life as well. Embrace budgeting, the DIY approach, and mindful leisure activities as delightful adventures rather than obligations. And just like that, you've planted the seeds for growth in your financial journey. If you found value in these tips, we'd love for you to subscribe and hit the like button. Join our growing community and share your thoughts in the comments. What other strategies do you use to save money? Let's inspire each other. Save smart, live well, and remember that your journey to financial well-being is in your hands. Together, let's make this year the year we reach upward, transforming savings into fulfilling experiences. Cheers to a $1,000 success story and more adventures ahead.